Hi and welcome back to another Power BI series video. In this video, I'll show you how to create heterogeneity index that is related to oil and gas production. As you can see, this is the equation for the heterogeneity index, and it's composed of well production divided by the average production of the group. Let's go ahead and start creating the heterogeneity for the oil production. We'll be starting first by creating the production for the well, divided by the production for the group, which is going to be the average production of the group. However, there is a slight modification to that. We need to adjust the filter so it can only take a single date that is selected by the user. Once we do that and it's ready, we'll just go ahead and copy that code and we will paste it on another measure. The new measure will be for water, so we'll only change the oil to water and click on OK. And then once we do that, it's time to add a scatter plot with the x-axis set to oil and water set to y-axis. Plus we need to select a specific date so we can plot everything together, and make sure to add the name of the well as a legend, so this will color every well for us, and add a constant line on the x0 and the y0. Plus it's also possible to animate the date axis by just drag and dropping the date to animate, and of course you need to delete the date filter. Before you go ahead and animate that, just click on play, or you can just drag and drop the slider to wherever you want, and there we go. Thank you for watching.